Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. You are all awesome. If you guys remember, in one of the last videos, I did say I wanted to get this fixed before I can install the splitter. Scrap that. We're just gonna go ahead and install the splitter and see what we can do. I don't have the money for it to fix it super professionally, but my mechanic said he's down to work with me, so hopefully we can get something going on. But I think today might be the day that we get to install it. It's been a while. A lot of you guys have asked me, when are you gonna put the splitter on? And I wanna put it on solely because I am entering a car show. If you guys saw last video, I will be at SlammedEnuff February 9th in Ontario, SoCal. So if you guys are in the area, come through, kick it, come to our booth. I'm gonna be there with all aspects. Come say hi to us and check out the car in person if you guys want to. So since it's gonna be in that show, this video is solely going to be SlammedEnuff prep. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I honestly haven't done anything with it. It's still here. I think what we're gonna do is take it over to my mechanic's shop and he's gonna cut it to his best ability so it's not too heavy. And we're gonna go ahead and try to install it. I got new bumper brackets on the sides, so hopefully those will make the fitment of my bumper better. Like I said, the black pearl is pretty damn heavy, but I think we can still make this work and it could look possibly good for the show. So for the rest of the prep, I'm going to have one of my coworkers help me clay bar my car and wax it. So we might do that after all of this is done because I want to make sure all the parts are on the car first. Then we can do that. If he doesn't come through or, you know, shit happens, it's not a big deal. I'll go ahead and try to learn how to do it myself because I do want my paint to look pretty decent for the show. I still don't know if we're going to be indoors or outdoors, so why not prepare? First things first, let's take this to my mechanic. This shit is heavy as fuck for carbon fiber. Oh, well, it's upside down, but you guys get the idea. It's still the same. Da-da-da-da. So we are going to probably cut here all the way around to where it matches the black pearl and weight reduction. It fits. Super hyped. Let's head out. All right, so we are back at the shop. It's pretty busy, but we're gonna mount the new splitter and see how it looks. I think we're going to try to fix the fitment for the bumper. We're gonna use new brackets and hopefully that helps. Sweet, no exhaust leak. Even though I scrape all the damn time, we had to get that re-welded. So for those of you guys who don't know, I have a resonator delete. So the resonators are gone, but if you guys can see, the secondary cats are still there. All right, so we did a little mock-up of my bumper. So we're gonna see where we're gonna cut. This is where we're gonna be cutting, so it's lighter. So that piece is going away. My mechanic actually wants it and might use it on a jet ski. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it to him. We're gonna put this in my car. Let's get it. Guys, I'm just kidding. This is for my mechanic's jet ski. He races competitively. That's why you see all those jet skis over there. This one right here is supercharged. He just got this green one. Some guy didn't want it and parted out and got like this, the intercooler, all this stuff. Holy shit. Cut it good.
Yeah, we do good, right?
Yeah, perfect. Oof, this thing is not coming off, guys. We did so many. I'm making sure this shit is not flying off on the freeway, so let's go ahead and lower it a little bit. Oh, that is mean. Pokes out a little bit. Super subtle. The main thing I wanted was for this to poke out a little bit. This looked like an empty space right here, so once it's fully on the ground, I'm sure it'll look a lot better, but I think we're gonna go ahead and tackle these real quick, so I'll update you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so change of plans. I just made it home. We didn't do the bumper brackets because it was getting late and he did have to paint a car, but he still helped me out anyway, so thank you so much. But yeah, he told me come back Monday. So if anything, I will see you guys then. I know I'm jumping around back and forth, but the car is back home and I am in love with it. So next thing we're gonna do, bumper brackets. And then after that, we are going to detail the car and it should be ready for SlammedEnuff. I will see you guys then. What is up, guys? So it is the next day and today we are going to clay bar my car and possibly wax it. So I got my coworker Travis with me over here. He's willing to help me out. I told him about the car show that I had, and he told me that he knows how to detail cars, so we went ahead and linked up. Ooh, look at this. If you guys didn't know, I wanted this as my first car because I really like the front end. I just thought it was like really pointy and would look really good slammed. All right guys, so finished washing the car and we're gonna start clay barring it, right? I don't know how to clay bar at all, so today I'm gonna learn something new.
It's called nano skin, and it's like 100 times better than a clay bar. It gives you same results, but better, and it's way easier to use. This one is made for black cars.
Nice.
You can actually hear it.
It sounds so gross. My car's all rough.
And then once it goes from rough, you feel it right here, bro?
Yeah.
Feel that?
It's pretty.
And then feel that.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Feels like when I first got the car.
It feels like a grown man stubble to a baby face. So what it's doing is it's decontaminating everything that's caught on the paint that a normal wash and everything can't get out.
Okay.
So think of it as like an exfoliation for your skin.
That's good.
Yeah, yeah.
And my girlfriend would love that because she's doing
Shout out to your girlfriend.
she's doing esthetician school, so she's actually gonna give me a facial tonight. No homo. All right guys, so we just finished clay barring the whole thing. Dude, Travis killed it on this. We're not even done yet, and this thing already looks amazing. I didn't know we were gonna do this, but he said he's down to buff it. This is honestly the smoothest my paint has felt since I got it. Damn, fucking love this thing. All right guys, so Travis gave me a quick rundown on how to wax. I've never done it before, but it's super simple and finally get to do it. Just buffing out a couple things real quick. We'll probably just keep waxing the rest of the car. All right guys, as you can see, it got freaking dark. Travis over here putting in so much fucking work, dude. Thank you so much.
No worries.
Fucking killed it. It looks, well, it's obviously gonna look really good since it's dark, but I'll show you guys tomorrow morning. This thing is insane. Buffed it a little bit, waxed it. Oh shit, see? So I have to wipe that. See? You did get every spot, I just missed. So there's still a couple spots I have to wipe down. Oh my God, that shit looks insane. Damn, you really got every single spot.
And then on your lip too, on the splitter and everything, bro.
Fuck, I suck.
Nah, you just can't see it, it's dark.
I just can't see because I'm Asian.
Because your eyes are closed.
Travis just freaking finished it. It looks so good. I haven't even seen it in the light yet, but I just know that it's good because I haven't gotten my car detailed ever. Never, not this car. And I'm so freaking pumped. This is gonna look pretty decent for the show. Hopefully you guys won't be able to see all these imperfections, but we finally did something. And all the products that he used and everything that he taught me, I'm gonna start learning more about it and I'm gonna start doing all this stuff myself because it's so interesting and I really wanna get more into automotive care. This car's my baby, so why not? It's always going to benefit me in the long run. We're gonna pick this video back up when my mechanic and me work on the new bumper brackets and all that stuff. I'll see you guys then. I know I've been dragging out this video, but I just want to take you guys along with all of this prep work and what I'm doing to prep for this first real show. Catch you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, it is the very next day. I just finished my dentist appointment. I just got these new Invisalign trays right here. And we are gonna go to my mechanic, see if we can fix this front bumper. Damn, look at that. Guys, I've been driving around with this new front splitter and I am in love with it. So in love with it. Oh my God, it looks so good. But yeah, let's hope that my mechanic can fix it today. And let's head there right now. All right guys, so we are back. We are going to try and fix front bumper fitment and we're gonna try to install these new brackets. Barely starting. after 3 hours. Finally finished. New brackets, everything's tight. No more gap. No more gap. No more gap.
That is the perfect.
No, I like it better. This side is really, really good too. Super tight. Not going anywhere. It sticks out just a little bit, but it's way better than before. I'm back, thank you. If I win a trophy, we're gonna put it up on your shop. Alright guys, that is gonna wrap it for today's video. We are officially done with the SlammedEnuff prep. We got the clay bar and wax, fixed the fitment on my bumpers so it's more snug, and we got the APR splitter on, as well as touched up a few little spots with touch-up paint and whatnot. So I hope to see you guys there. I cannot wait to meet you guys. Come through, hang out with us, just have a good time. But that is gonna wrap it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. 2K more, and we're at 10K. That's so surreal to me. And great news, we just put in an order for shirts. So stay tuned for that. You guys will be able to check out the process on my Instagram story, and I'll occasionally post on here as well. With that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. But don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, catch you at the show.